Welcome to Research Rocks. Every day before sleeping, if you are looking mobile screen, TV, tab, laptop, and sometimes you are not able to sleep. In this video, I am introducing one of the outstanding product. Before sleeping 20 to 30 minutes you wear this glasses. After that you can sleep very relaxed way. Which product is this? Where I am purchasing? We will see detailed demonstration in this video. The product name is a Gloojo Night Easy Sleep Glasses.
Today light is everywhere, day or night, indoors or outdoors. We face constant light stimulation, whether from harsh sunlight or artificial lighting. From the sun's glare to the glow of electronic screens, these light sources can affect our comfort and well-being. That's why Gloojo here, designed to shield you from light exposure and alleviate your light sensitivity symptoms. Whether you suffer from migraines, insomnia, photophobia, or are recovering from surgery, no matter if you're working from 9 to 5, enjoying a gaming marathon, shopping with friends, surfing the waves, or just taking some time for yourself.
So first of all, I'm telling you where I'm purchasing this product. This is my laptop screen and this is the website. This website I'm purchasing this product. Gloojo Night Easy Glasses are ideally for prolonged indoor devices used to pre-bedtime wear. That one is really interesting. I listened first time such kind of glasses and product is available, so I'm a little curious. So that perspective I'm purchasing this product and I'm making this video here. Different types of varieties are available and price just only $69. It's affordable. Different types of frames is available here. One of frame I personally purchased and this frame inside the box. Now we can do unboxing and which types of frame I am receiving and what exactly look like. Let's check it out. Now I just simply open the box. The box quality is really nice. The C safety live. Now we can open this box. It's amazing. Here the code related information. You can wash your glasses free time, how to use, all the information available. If you have any question, you can write email, website, YouTube, Instagram, social media related information. Inside the box here is our product, and after that I just simply open here and boom, its quality is amazing of this pocket. And now here is as usual the packing. It's fabulous. Okay, so look at this. This is the sunglasses. This is the sleeping glasses. Now I just simply wear the glasses. Oh, look, it's totally changed after wearing the glasses. It's relaxed. I can suggest you can wear in outside as well. So my face look like this and the proper fix on my face as well. So this is a fantastic product and I can personally recommend here. If you use everyday lot of screen related work, so you should purchase this product. Link is available on video description. You should click and purchase this product no matter where you live. So this is the simple unboxing, as well as upcoming days I'm making separate review video of this product. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.